As 2025 comes to an end and 2026 approaches, something remarkable is happening. More Americans than ever are imagining what their lives could look like beyond the borders of the United States, not as tourists, not as temporary visitors, but as people who want to build a real life somewhere new. Every week we talk to families, retirees, remote workers, young professionals, and people in every stage of life who feel the same thing: a pull, a curiosity, a quiet voice that says, maybe there's another version of my life out there, something calmer, something lighter, something more aligned with who I'm becoming. This shift isn't a trend, it's a movement. And as we look ahead, it's clear that 2026 is shaping up to be one of the biggest years yet for Americans choosing global life. So let's explore where people are moving, why these destinations are resonating, and what it means for anyone considering a new chapter in the year ahead. Let's start with Portugal. Year after year, Portugal remains one of the most beloved destinations for Americans, and its appeal continues to grow. People choose Portugal because life feels gentle there. The pace is slower, the communities are warm, the weather is kind, and the sense of safety is something many Americans haven't felt in a long time. Lisbon draws creatives and professionals. Cascais draws families and coastal dreamers. Porto offers charm and affordability, and the Algarve attracts retirees who want sunshine and peace. But the real beauty of Portugal is that even as some cities become more popular, the country is full of towns and suburbs where life is quiet, safe, walkable, and beautifully affordable. Spain is next, and its momentum heading into 2026 is enormous. Spain has become one of the most balanced, welcoming, lifestyle-rich countries Americans can choose. Valencia, Malaga, Alicante, Madrid, Bilbao, and the islands all offer sunshine, culture, excellent healthcare, low crime, and a daily rhythm that feels deeply human. Families especially are drawn to Spain because the cost of living is lower, the quality of life is high, and children grow up in environments that feel safe and connected. Costa Rica continues to inspire Americans who want nature, wellness, and simplicity. It's one of the most stable countries in Latin America and offers a lifestyle that feels centered and grounded. People choose Costa Rica because they want to spend more time outside, breathe cleaner air, eat better food, and feel surrounded by natural beauty. While some beach towns have become more touristy, just minutes inland, you'll find quiet, peaceful communities where life is affordable and safe. Japan is another major destination rising quickly. Americans choosing Japan are often seeking structure, calm, and cultural depth. Japan offers clean streets, low crime, world-class healthcare, efficient transportation, and a sense of order that many find soothing. Even though cities like Tokyo can feel busy, the suburbs are peaceful, family-friendly, and incredibly livable. Japan offers a lifestyle where you can feel both stimulated and grounded at the same time. Australia remains a top choice for those who want an English-speaking transition, outdoor living, and a high standard of comfort. Cities like Brisbane, Melbourne, Perth, and the suburbs around Sydney offer great weather, friendly communities, excellent salaries in many fields, and a relaxed culture that feels refreshing to many Americans. It's a place where work-life balance is not a slogan, but a lived reality. The United Kingdom continues to draw people who want Europe without the language barrier. London is an international hub, while Manchester, Edinburgh, Bristol, and Brighton offer culture, history, and community at a pace that feels more approachable. Even though London can be expensive, the surrounding regions offer quiet neighborhoods, good schools, easy transportation, and a strong sense of belonging. Germany is another country gaining momentum. People choose Germany because it is stable, practical, safe, and affordable. Public transportation is excellent, infrastructure is reliable, healthcare is strong, and cities are designed for families and community. While large cities have lively areas, the majority of German suburbs are extremely safe, calm, and well-maintained. For people who want order and long-term predictability, Germany is a smart choice. Thailand continues to rise as a favorite for people seeking tropical beauty, warm culture, and low cost of living. Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, Hua Hin, and Koh Samui each offer different styles of life. Some are vibrant and energetic. Others are calm and beach-focused. What surprises many Americans is how far their budget goes in Thailand and how easy it is to live comfortably, eat well, and enjoy daily life without financial stress. What do all these destinations have in common? They offer something that many Americans are yearning for as they head into 2026. People want a life that feels more balanced, more peaceful, more affordable, more connected. They want communities where people walk, talk, gather, and share life together. They want to feel safe. They want to feel healthier. They want time. They want space. And they want a lifestyle that supports their well-being instead of draining it. The global living forecast for 2026 reflects something deeper than moving to another country. It reflects a desire to reclaim the parts of life that matter most: slower mornings, meaningful routines, enjoying food, being outside, feeling safe, building community, prioritizing health, and having the freedom to live with intention. If you've been thinking about moving abroad in the coming year, you're not alone. Thousands of people are exploring new chapters, and many are taking the first steps right now. You don't have to figure out everything at once. You don't have to have the perfect destination. You don't have to know every detail. You just need to start exploring the possibility. And when you're ready to begin planning the practical side of your move, we can help guide you. From packing, to shipping, to customs coordination, to delivery in your new country, we can make the process clear and manageable. If you're ready to explore your next chapter, reach out to us and let us help you take the first step toward your life abroad. Your next chapter may be closer than you think.